Hey everybody, sorry we missed you guys last week.
We've been having technical issues. My laptop decided to just stop working last week, which is why no video was posted. And it turns out it's taking a little bit longer than expected. They said, I called them yesterday and they're saying it's gonna take another 2 weeks to get our laptop back. So
that comes amidst a lot of other stuff. If you follow along, you might know I just recently started a new job. Well, things with the new job aren't quite as hoped. It was supposed to be, the deal was that I would be able to do the job while we travel. Well, due to some kind of, I guess, computer shortage, chip shortage, something like that, they weren't able to send me a laptop, so they had to send me 2 desktop computers for me to do the job on. Which, quite frankly, we just don't have the electricity to power in the van.
Or even the space.
Yeah, so, unfortunately, until the company is able to get me a laptop or I find another job that's a little bit more travel friendly, we're stuck, waiting it out, staying
here
in Missouri. So, that's kind of the deal with why we're not on the road yet.
So since we don't have much going on, I don't have a computer, and Justin's work hours are different than what we were used to, we're going to use this time to catch up. We're still going to film videos for you guys, but until we get that laptop back, we're going to take a pause on uploads. Hopefully only 1 or 2 more weeks though.
So we are still going to film everything, so we will get back into an uploading schedule in a week or 2 once we have our equipment up and running. And if you guys want updates, we do post on Instagram still, so you can definitely check out our Instagram, same as our YouTube, Traveling Jam.
Yeah, we just tell you a little bit more real time what's going on. So last week when we weren't able to post a video, we just let you guys know there why.
Yeah, so definitely check out the Instagram for updates.
And hopefully we'll see you guys in just a short week or 2. Bye!